Never been to this place. Fat Nancy's. It's in Pulaski, New York. They sell excellent t-shirts. I don't fish for like professionally. I don't go salmon fishing, but every time I drive through there, I buy a t-shirt. So I got about 20 of them. Anyway, this video is not about Fat Nancy's, but I decided to show my viewers that I need to make holes in transfer holes from this one to this one, and I never knew this existed till I watched a YouTube video. So I invested in Pittsburgh transfer punches, which, Christ, there's a tool for everything. So for a whopping $10, I bought a cheap set of transfer punches. I mean, I'm not going to spend $59 on something I'm going to use twice a year that all they are is metal rods. Like, yeah, okay, maybe we could buy them in titanium or something, I don't know, but basically find the one that fits the holes, which the only thing about this, they're not clearly written. Like, there's, you kind of have to guess. There's no big numbers on it, so yeah, I'm basically, that's the right one. And basically what it does is you take this, there's a little, I'm sure you've seen 10 million videos on this, but there's a little point on here that, I don't know if you could see, but there's a little pointy thing on the end, and you put it in the hole and you hit it with a hammer. So I'm going to line these up here, and in order to make sure they stay there, I'm going to clamp it to my table here. Yes, I love vice grips. I own a lot of them. Now I'm into buying Milwaukee vice grips, or Milwaukee locking pliers, I should say, because they're not called vice grips. There we go. That should stay. Sure it's all even. And now you just take this and go. It shouldn't be too hard because it's aluminum, and then there's one. Come on, get in there, and two. And voila! That's how you use transfer punch. You just, any kind of hammer, put it in there, and then the results are a little tiny dent somewhere in this mess of, yeah, there's the hole. I could have cleaned the tape off here, but there's all kinds of junk on it. There's some reason there's scotch tape all over this. Anyway, you end up with a little divot in there, and now I'm going to drill holes through it, and then I'm going to make it like this one. I might deburr the ends, but anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and this time I remembered to put my mic on, so you should be able to hear me pretty good. Thanks, and don't forget to click like, subscribe, and leave a comment.